Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. What? Did you say anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
On the 22nd of February, I'm going on a field trip.
Oh, that's great. MashaAllah.
We're going to the zoo.
Oh, all right. All right, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. The heavens were moved by the prayer, and Jibreel alayhi salam appeared before the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, greeting him with Assalamu alaikum, and said, Allah knows all that has passed between you and these people. He has deputed an angel in charge of the mountains to be at your command. Saying this, Jibreel alayhi salam ushered the angel before the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The angel greeted the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Prophet of Allah, I am at your service. If you wish, I can cause the mountains overlooking this town on both sides to collide with each other so that all the people therein would be crushed to death. Or you may suggest any other punishment for them. The merciful and noble Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, even if these people do not accept Islam, I do hope from Allah that there will be persons from among their progeny who would worship Allah and serve His cause. Behold the conduct of our noble Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whom we profess to follow. We get so much irritated over a little trouble or a mere abuse from somebody that we keep on torturing and taking our revenge throughout our lives in every possible manner. Does it become people who claim to follow the magnanimous Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Look, even after so much suffering at the hands of the Taif mob, he neither curses them nor does he work for any revenge, even when he has the full opportunity to do so.